Time to answer the big question. How did I create that Merrill Multimedia Academy theme song? You know it, right? Merrill Multimedia Academy. Fun fact, it is even a full song, but then I just decided to use that particular part because I think that is the most catchy part for me in the whole song. And the answer is, drum roll, AI. Yes, I know you are shocked as I am. AI created an entire song from scratch without me visiting any music studio or letting any songwriter do anything for me. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made that song so that you can also make yours for whatever purpose you want to use it for. My name is Amira, and let's listen to that song and we'll be right back. Alright, so in writing a song or in getting any song, the first thing you'd need to do is to get the song lyrics, right? And remember I said AI is going to do this from completely scratch. So I think the ones which is very closer to us that we all can use is Meta AI. I'm going to go into my WhatsApp and then start chatting with Meta AI right now. All I'm going to do is to ask it for song lyrics, and from that lyrics we are going to make an entire song from it. So I'm in my Meta AI. Let me give it a prompt for it to give me a lyrics. Write a song about, what should I even write a song about? About stop Galamsey in Ghana. Now, you don't just leave it here. You have to add some other details so that the AI can perfectly understand whatever you're writing. So make it melodic, rhythmic, and very easy to learn. You can add more details, but then in order not to make this video so much long, let me just prompt this and see what response it will give us. So here is a script about stopping Galamsey in Ghana. Title is Stop Galamsey, Save Our Land. In the heart of Ghana. No, I can't even sing this, right? But then AI is going to do the job and automatically transcribe this into a full-blown song with a beat mixed and mastered and everything. So I'm just going to type, just give me the lyrics, nothing else, so that it removes all those other, should I call it tags from it. Just give me the song, just give me the lyrics, nothing else. And so AI will just write only the lyrics for us. Remember the first message, it has all these labelings or headings for it. This one, I just need only the lyrics, and I think it has done that for us. And so I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to leave that in my clipboard, and then we're going to move on to the next AI. Now this next AI is what is actually going to take this lyrics that we have written into a full song for our use. And so I'm going to go ahead and go into my Google Chrome, or you can use any browser you want anyway. Then I'm going to search in my search bar Suno, S-U-N-O. I'll leave a link to that in the description. By the way, if you've not used this website before, you might want to log in or create an account first. And as you can see, sign in to continue with Suno. I always prefer signing in using my Google account because I feel like that is the easiest way I can authenticate or I can log in. And so let me just choose my Google account here and let's enter into it. And we are going to use the lyrics that we got from Meta AI or any other AI. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, you can use Cloud, you can use Bing, any AI. Now once I'm here, there is create, home, library, explore, and a whole lot of other features here. I'm going to click on this music icon right here. Let me draw on it so that you can actually see this music icon here. Now this is a list of songs that I have done, and so if I click on this music icon, I'm going to just paste the song lyrics here. Now on top here, you can see whether you want only the instrumental or a full song. So I'm going to leave that on toggled. This button, I'm going to leave it on toggled. I'm not going to send or make the instrumental. I need a full song. And so once I'm done putting in the lyrics, it's, by the way, it takes only 200 characters, and so your song should be only 200 characters. And so I'm going to delete this last part here, and then I'm going to click on create. So once it's creating, it is going to load some few minutes, and it's going to give you 2 songs that you can try listening to. So for any prompt, or for any lyrics you give it, or for any prompt you put in, it is going to actually give you 2 songs that you can listen and choose your best one. Also, it generates a cover for you that you can be able to use. So Afrobeat Rhythm Soulful, and the title is In the Heart of Ghana. We are going to listen to this song very soon and see if it is impressive or if it is something that is of a high standard. But then before we listen to the song, I'd want you to like this video if you find this helpful. If you want to try this, also comment down below what you think about this, and any other comments you have in the comment section. We'll do as much as possible to respond to each and every one of them. Also, if you've not yet subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post new and awesome content like this, you would be notified. Now let's start listening to the song. This is the first one, In the Heart of Ghana. Let's listen to it.
In the heart of Ghana, where our rivers flow, Galamsey's creeping shadow, we must say no. Polluting waters tarnishing our soil, future generations facing deadly spoil. Men with shovels digging for the gold, selling dreams that can't be sold. Leaves behind a barren, dusty scar. Wonder if we've gone too far. Stop the madness, let the rivers breathe. End the chaos, we've got to believe. Protect our land, our heritage divine. Restore the beauty, let our culture shine.
Are you enjoying it? So I think this is the first song. Let's look at what the second song was. This is 3 minutes song, right? Let me pause this right here. This is 3 minutes, and so from 200 characters it generates a full 3 minute song. How many songs are even up to 3 minutes these days? And let's listen to the second song.
In the heart of Ghana, where rivers flow, Galamsey's creeping shadow, we must say no. Polluting waters tarnishing our soil, future generations facing deadly spoil. Men with shovels digging for the gold, selling dreams that can't be sold. Leaves behind a barren, dusty scar. Wonder if we've gone too far. Stop the madness, let the rivers breathe. End the chaos, we've got to believe. Protect our land, our heritage divine. Restore the beauty, let our culture shine.
So guys, your job here is to judge between the 2 songs or the 2 variants of the song that they gave you and choose which one you think is best. The second one has a more of soulful, emotional vibe to it, where the first one is more of, a vibey dancey look. But then you can choose between what you want. If you do not want, you can also create another song. Now you can actually customize the type of song you want to create and choose the type of genre and everything with relation to the song you are creating. So let's try creating a new song from the same lyrics that we have, but then on top here we are going to click on custom and let's see the magic. So once you click on custom, you have the chance to enter the lyrics, the style of music, title. So let me just paste the exact same lyrics here and let's do something more crazier. Now once you put it on custom, it has the chance of accepting characters up to 3,000. Now the first one accepts only 200 because the AI is basically going to do everything for you. But then if you choose custom, you have up to 3,000 characters, and even with this, I used only 973. So style of music, danceable Afrobeat dancehall. Title, Galamsey. And I think that will be all. You can also choose fast, melodic, melancholic, atmospheric, R&B. I want this to be fast also. I've added it. You're gonna add more things as much as you want and then click on create. And also this is also going to give you, just as the first one, 2 variants of a song that you have chosen. So you can see it is loading. Stop Galamsey, and it gives you an artwork also for completely free. You don't have to do anything. So let's listen to the first one and then judge by ourselves what this AI can do. I think this is something mind-blowing. So for AI to generate something like this, I am impressed. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section. But then let's listen to the songs. This is 3 minutes 2 seconds, and then the next one is 2 minutes 48 seconds. Let's start listening to it.
In the heart of Ghana, where our rivers flow, Galamsey's destructive path, we must say no. Polluting our waters, destroying our earth, leaving our future in a precarious birth. Stop Galamsey, save our land, protect our heritage, hand in hand, preserve our natural wealth and might. Stop Galamsey for a brighter life.
See, we just made ourselves a very beautiful song about Stop Galamsey. Now this is only one of 2 songs the AI generated. Let's listen to the second one and see how it did on the second one also. Stop Galamsey.
In the heart of Ghana, where our rivers flow, Galamsey's destructive path, we must say no. Polluting our waters, destroying our earth, leaving our future in a precarious birth. Stop Galamsey, save our land, protect our heritage, hand in hand, preserve our natural and might. Stop Galamsey for a brighter light.
So guys, what do you think about this AI? I think I like the first one better, but then I am impressed. I don't know about you, where AI is able to generate a song with beats and everything from scratch. I think the possibilities are endless, because for now that AI can generate songs, I mean, your favorite artist must be shaking now. But then this is completely AI. I didn't visit any music studio. I didn't write anything. Within a matter of how many minutes? You can do this in 5 minutes. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Did you find this interesting and helpful? Like this video, also subscribe and put us on post notifications so that whenever we post new and awesome content like this, you'll be notified. Watch other videos on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.